I am back with a lot of good news and footage. But at first I want to thank you for 150 subscribers so far and I don't know, 20 or so purchases of my plugin on Epic Games Marketplace so far. I finally got back to this project and updated it with some new exciting features. It's now more intuitive, more feature rich, and also managed to fix some annoying bugs. So let's jump into it and let me show you what I have here for you. What you currently see on the screen is the next version of my plugin opened in the editor. It's a task map that ships with this update of the plugin. I put a bit of effort into it here to show you the current state of the plugin and how it can be used. Let's say you can take that as a research point and include it in your own project. So, what features does this example level offer? First, now we have a build menu. Only using the basic Unreal assets here, that's why it may look a little crappy. But it also should show you some basics. The core of the build system for sure is the wall. We can press the wall button and go back to the main view area. Showing one nice thing here, we have now an indicator of where we start the wall. You can adapt the indicator as you like. I took for simplicity just a cylinder and made it red. A click onto the ground takes you in the second placement step, where you can drag the end of the wall to where you want the wall to end. And of course you maybe guessed it already, a second click finishes up the wall. Also, we have a little indicator here, like a checkbox. And pressing that will enable a grid. In my case, it's a 50 centimeter grid. That will ease up the placing. I also included a way to abort certain build steps. This was made very easy and you can look into the blueprints to see that. For reference, start placing a wall. Do a right click on any point and it will return to the previous build step. A major improvement is that walls now can automatically connect to each other. This is made possible as I changed the base system. It has now a controller that manages all the walls. So in that system a wall is basically a line. And if lines connect, it detects that and gives the information to the actor. And voila, you see the walls connecting. In that way, they connect front to end. End to end. Front to front. And all the middle. So that's very cool, right? But it doesn't stop here. I also included improved reveals. Basically, now we have two separate base reveals. A normal wall bound reveal and a wall bound reveal that is only placeable at the bottom for like doors, as you may guess. Let's see this in action. First, we will place a door into one of our walls. As you see, I can place the cursor where I want, but the door is snapping into the ground. A last committing click will confirm the position on the wall. Next, we also can place a small window into the wall, showing that we are free to place it anywhere we want here. I didn't include by now that the reveals stop on edges or overlaps with other reveals, but that is a small task that I will ship later, or you can do it by yourself. Speaking of missing features, now is a good moment to talk about parts that are still missing but are on my to-do list. If some of the following missing features are showstoppers for you, contact me on Discord and maybe we find a solution to that. I'm open to offers that can increase my excitement to speed up the implementation of missing features. Also consider to get a Patreon member to finance some coffees on my implementation streaks. But back to the open to-dos. First off, the doors are still only visible pass-throughs on the wall. The door not actually let pawns or actors pass through the wall with proper collision handling. So that would need still some workarounds. On AI-based games, it's not that big of a deal, as you can use animations or these navlinks. For first or third person games, that's another story. There it is harder to get that done properly. Also, without the grid or other limitations to the wall placing, there can come up situations where the walls not merging but overlapping. This happens when the underlying line system don't see lines crossing, as it uses real lines, not rectangles, for that calculation. Furthermore, I did not by now include an easy way to store the walls to disk and load them back. But the way the walls are generated should make it not hard to accomplish. As a small goodie now to subscribers and first-time viewers that come so far into this video, you still have the chance to get the wall now with the current price, as I will increase it only after I publish the new plugin version in this week. If you don't want to miss future hints and further developments, consider to like and subscribe. This will help me to grow this project and to give it more attention from my side. I'm also thinking about starting a side project where I build a small game using my plugins. Maybe we can make that as like a VOD of me coding. But that would be very dry and boring most of the time. But if you are still interested of seeing something like that, I will consider doing that. Let me see what you think about that in the comments. In my Discord channel, I had some suggestions to make rounded walls. But including this will add some bigger efforts to it, as my first thoughts about it concluded. But if you are a bigger game studio or something, in high needs of such features, maybe we can find a way we both profit from that. First step could be to be a high tier Patreon supporter. And if there are enough game studios doing that, this could help me to bring up more time into this project. As I also have a full 9-to-5 job here and other side projects that I not right now show on this channel, but that I personally very interested in, or other forms like shareholdings or options to your game studio, or just a big offer to do that, will also be a way that I can implement that into my plugin. We reached the end. This was everything I had to say about the current state of the plugin. Thank you for watching till the end. Please consider to leave a like and subscribe, so the YouTube algorithm is bringing this video to more people and helps me to get this project a bigger reach. Join my Discord to get the newest informations about this project. I and the current members are in regular conversations there. Don't forget to buy the plugin in the Epic Game Store. This will directly support the project. Thank you for watching.